Children, all of you take your rhyme book and do the activity. And you have to take it in the bowl like this. Okay? Like this, you have to take it and you have to close it with a towel. Understood? See, inside the bowl, I have all the materials inside. Cotton, paper, wood material, plastic material, crayon and all I have. Okay?
Good
And then
morning,
I'm covering
Mama.
Yeah, good morning, Ma Rohita, and I'm covering it with a towel. And keep it aside. Okay?
Ma'am, చెప్పు.
Okay, yes.
ఏంటి ఓకే వెన్నెలా మ్యామ్ వాట్ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ అని అడుగు.
What are you doing?
Rohita's mom.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్. మ్యామ్ చెప్పండి.
You have to prepare 5 materials today. Take a bowl,
ఎస్
take paper, cotton, wood material, plastic material, and a crayon. And put it inside a bowl.
మెటీరియల్ క్రేయాన్ పేపర్ క్లాత్.
Crayon.
పేపర్ క్లాత్ వుడ్ మెటీరియల్ ప్లాస్టిక్ మెటీరియల్ క్రేయాన్. ఓకేనా మ్యామ్?
And you close that bowl with a towel.
Silly little mummy pig. Ma'am.
Mute yourself, Rohita.
Yes, ma'am.
Dikshan, good morning. Ritvik, what are you doing, Ritvik?
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ma.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Sparnas.
Vidyut, ma'am.
Vidyut. Good morning, Vidyut. Very good morning, Vidyut. Prepare all these materials. Cotton, a plastic material, wood material, paper, and a crayon. Okay?
Now I have to bring all this, ma'am?
Yeah, now you take it in a bowl and you close it.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Vishank, good morning, Vishank.
Ma'am.
Where were you, Vishank, all these days?
It's raining here.
It's raining, ah?
Yes.
Okay. Had your breakfast?
Having breakfast.
Okay, did you prepare this? Did you prepare this?
Dad is preparing.
Daddy is preparing. Ah, okay.
Yes.
Good. Vishank, can you sing a rhyme for me, Vishank? Haha, laughing this boy.
Rain, rain, go away. Mama, another little sister wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Is it our culmination rhyme? What's the culmination rhyme? Butterfly, rocket, over, pentagon. All these are our rhymes, right? Come on, sing any of it. Spider also.
I'm the spider related.
Incy spider, duck down gangrene.
Under a web.
Good morning, ma'am.
I will not agree. Under a web. Ma. Butterfly rhyme. Good morning.
Under a web. Beside the gate. That's alright.
Huh? Pentagon. You forgot all the rhymes, Vivan. What is, sorry, Vishank. Forgot, Rocket.
Incy spider and a capacitor.
Rocket going up in space.
Incy spider and a
I will not hear
capacitor.
your Vinci spider. No.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried the fawn away. Incy spider and a capacitor again.
Hmm? Okay, Vishant. Thank you, Vishant. Children, those who have joined now, one more time I'm telling you. Circle da. 1 minute, I'll finish telling all this. Take a bowl. I need 5 materials inside that bowl. Cotton, paper, a wood material, a plastic material, and crayon. Okay. So 5 materials needed for the activity. After taking it in a bowl, cover the bowl with a towel and keep it aside. Once we start the session, we'll start the activity. Okay. Yes, hope everyone have joined. Who is? Yes, what are the words did you circle, children? Tell me one by one.
Read this. Check, check. What is this?
Chocolate.
Chocolate, chocolate. Well done, good.
இங்க அது என்ன வேர்டு அது
Lying, very good. Good. The, very good.
With.
Good, ma Devgrit.
With. Bishop. Man.
Shop.
Morning. With
Shop,
morning.
ma Danvin.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
did you say?
That vegetables rhyme.
Hmm. Chop. Yes, CHOP, chop. Correct? Chop. Okay, next. Hmm?
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
THE, the. Hmm.
That's it, ma'am.
That's it. Good. Hashni. Yeah, Dharnika, Hashni, come on.
Morning.
Yeah. Morning. Hmm.
It's short, long,
Short, long. Very good, Tarnika. You found the correct rhyme for those words. Very good, Tarnika. Under a web.
bussy.
Good. Everything is there in that rhyme. Very good. Good.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tarnika. I too thought the same rhyme and you also thought the same rhyme. Very good, Tarnika. Next. Nightek. No answers from you. Why? Dikshan, Nightek, Siddharth. Why Siddharth is not circling any diagram? Why? What is that, ma? Say, ma, Nightek. What word you circled? Okay, we'll start the session, children. Finished? Unmute and tell me, ma, Nightek. What are you saying, Nightek?
I did mark.
What you did? Tell me the word which you circled.
Dafulchi. UP up.
Up. UP Appa. Is it a diagram? No. TH sound words.
UP up.
That's it. I take my boy. I think you didn't listen. I think you didn't listen. You didn't listen anything?
Yes.
Well, yes, sir. You should call me and ask, no, what did you say, ma'am? Why you didn't ask me? It's okay, Nightek. Another time do it correctly, okay? Very good. Okay, today who is going to say Kids anthem today, children? Who is going to say Kids? Hashini, yeah. Okay, come on. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes, children. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. All of you. Kids anthem.
Kitsiyatam yaadadinni yaayilvana yaayune mypotentialinsa yaadavings vinignaadla yuti paini mypotentialinsa dude adlas door my mind I tell actually mypotentialinsa. Good morning everyone.
Yeah, good morning, Mahashni. Good morning and thank you so much. Very good morning to everyone, children. A loud good morning to ma'am. Unmute and tell me good morning.
Good
Yeah, very good morning. Yeah, good morning. Okay, now shall we move on to our attendance? Yes? Darshika. Darshika. Devkrish.
Devkrish, attendance, Devkrish.
Yeah, very good, ma Devkrish. Dhanvin.
My name is Dhanisha. I am in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Dikshan.
My name is Dichan. I am 4 years old. I am studying in junior KG.
I am in 4 years old. It's not like that. I am 4 years old. Okay. Farnaz.
Nani ma'am, I am a Farnaz Fatima. I am studying in junior KG.
Okay, very good, Farnaz. Hashni.
My name is Ashini. I am studying in junior KG. I am Kiki girl.
Okay. Janavi. 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 Okay, I'm marking you, Janavi. Kartikeyan.
Yes, I am. Old.
Kavyani. Very good, ma. Kavyani.
Hello, Manila ma'am. My name is Kavya. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old. I am Kiki girl.
Nitek.
My name is Naitik. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Nitek. Nukshita. Nukshita. Absent. Pranita. Pranita. Pranita, I'm marking you, ma. Rohita.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Pranita. Tell
Good
me.
morning, ma'am. I am Pranita. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good, Pranita. Rohita.
My name is Soita. I am 4 years old. I am junior KG.
Very good, Rohita. Ritwik.
Snoopy. I am Ritwik. I am studying. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Nitila.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Nidhi. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Satvika.
My name is Satika. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good, Siddharth.
My name is Siddharth. I study in junior KG. 4 years old. Good morning.
Yeah, very good. Karnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in 4 years old.
Very good. Tilakar. Vishan. Sorry, Vishank. Vishank.
Say good morning.
Tell me your attendance, ma Vishank. What happened?
Good morning, ma'am.
Why? What happened to Vishank? What happened? You tell me, open your mouth and say.
Facing, ma'am.
What your mama va?
Talk to ma'am. Speak, no?
Sollu ma Vishank. What happened? Who is there? Who is there? Who is there? What happened? Vishank's
Hello.
mom, what did you do?
After holiday impact. Ma'am.
Feeling very cranky. Okay, Vishank, I'm marking you, okay? Vivan,
My name is Neeman.
oh my god, what have you done to the dinosaur? Vidyut, Vidyut,
Kumarangan. Setting in donor 34 years old. And Vidut setting in donor 34 years old.
very good, Vidyut. Zadi, absent. Lakshana, Lakshana. Lakshana is also absent. Many absentees today. Okay, children. Now, come on, all of you, bring your bowl. Bring your bowl, all of you. It's closed, right? Bring your bowl and keep it on the table. Okay? Now, one by one, you're going to close your eyes and put your hand inside that bowl. And you're going to take one material outside. You're going to feel it and say what material is that. Okay? Without opening your eyes, you have to feel the material and say. Okay? Ready, all of you? Yeah, first is Dev Krish.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, close your
Come on,
eyes.
start.
Okay. No, don't open your eyes. Close your eyes and take. Okay. Take one material.
Don't open your eyes, cheating boy.
What is this? Say what is this?
Okay, paper. Next one.
Next one.
Close your eyes and take.
Mm.
You have to feel and say. Dev Krish, you should not open your eyes.
Close
You
your
should
eyes first.
feel and say what material is that. What is that?
Close your eyes and say what material is this. What is this? What is this, Ma? It's so soft, na? What is this?
Cotton.
Cotton.
Next one.
Cotton.
Cotton.
Close your eyes, Dev Krish. What is that? It's a carom
What
coin.
coin is that? What coin is that? 10 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin.
Only one. We first have to answer for coins.
It's a carom board coin, right? Wood material. It's a wood
Wood
material.
material.
Okay?
Say wood material.
Next one.
Saptama
Next
material.
one.
Give me one, Dev Krish.
Taking lot of time, Dev Krish.
Playing one. What is this?
What material is that?
Sattama solra.
What material is that? Wood or plastic?
Plastic material.
Yeah, good. Plastic material.
Next one.
Finally, one more.
What is that?
Crayon. Very good. Well done. Okay, what all ma'am is having, I'll show it to you, children. This is cotton. If you are having woolen thread, you can use that also. You can say it as woolen thread. Okay. All of you show me a cotton or woolen thread, whatever you have. Show it to me first. Cotton. Take and show it to me, children, first. Take it out and show it to ma'am first. Vishank, take your material and show it to ma'am, ma. Vishank. Take your cotton out and show it to ma'am. Come on. Good boy.
Take cotton out.
Cotton. All of you, very good children.
Yes.
Cotton.
Okay.
And next is paper. Very good, Vishank. Paper. Okay. Paper. And next is wood. I have pencil in my hand. Whatever wood material you have, you take it. Wood. That's crayon, ma, Vishank. Crayon or color pencil? Color pencil. Okay, good. Wood material. And then plastic material. Take out a plastic material. Let me see all of you. Toy. Ball. What plastic material you have, Vishang? Satvika? The bin itself. Next. Toys. Okay, good. I have a box. Okay, good.
Cotton.
That is cotton, Kavyani.
And cotton.
Yeah, cotton. Okay, so all these material you have to show it one by one, and finally I have crayons. Okay, crayon. Like this you have to take and say, children, one by one. Okay, next is Dhanvin Sai.
Ma'am.
Come on, do it.
கண் மூடி கண் மூடி அதுக்குள்ள கை விட்டு எடுக்கணும் கண் மூடி இது டக்குன்னு என்னது நாக்கு சொல்லு
Cotton.
Good. Keep
கண்ணு
it
மூடி
aside.
கண்ணு மூடி
Do it fast.
பாஸ் 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 கண் மூடி
Paper.
Good.
கண் மூடி கண் மூடணும் கண்ணு மூடி
Pencil.
பென்சில் இஸ் வுட்
Wood.
Wood. Good.
நெக்ஸ்ட் கண்ணு மூடி சீட் பண்ணக்கூடாது
Arrow.
What is it? Plastic.
பிளாஸ்டிக்
Plastic.
கண்ணு மூடு ஃபாஸ்ட் என்னது இது? என்னது இது?
Crayon.
என்ன?
Good. Next is Hashni.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Come
Close
on,
it.
fast, Hashni.
Fast,
Tuck,
fast,
tuck.
fast. Close it. Insert. கை விடு கையை விட்டு எடு கையை விட்டு எடு எடு
Close your eyes.
Close
Put your
your eyes.
hand inside it and take only one material out.
எடு சீக்கிரம் show it ma'am what is it
Paper.
Paper.
next one
Plastic.
no this is not plastic what is this wood
I think it's wood.
yeah wood next
Plastic.
close your eyes take it out what is that
Red. Red.
Woolen thread.
Crayon.
Crayon. Very good. Very good, Hashni. Next is Janavi. 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 Nova. Farnaz, are you ready, Farnaz?
Ready, ma'am.
Now, come on.
Okay, close. Say.
Paper.
Okay. Close your eyes. What is this?
Cotton.
Okay. Close.
Packet. Wood.
Okay.
Crayon.
Very good, Farnaz.
Okay.
Very good. Kartikeyan, next. Ready? Kartikeyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, do it fast.
The cotton. Plastic. Paper. நல்ல ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருக்கு ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருக்காது அதனால இருக்கலாம் இதனால உட் ஸ்ட்ராங்கா அதனால
What are you saying, Kartikeyan? Okay, very good. Finish, finish, Kartikeyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Kavyani. Kavyani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Here, one here.
This plastic
मुझे सार नहीं हाँ तकाड़ी प्लास्टिक मटेरियल संगीत
Plastic material.
चेयर तकाड़ी
Plastic. Okay, good.
Plastic material.
Next.
इरुसिल तकाड़ी
This is plastic material.
तेला प्लास्टिक या
This is plastic. Open your eyes and see.
तेला
Open
प्लास्टिक
your
या
eyes and see which is plastic and which is wood.
उद्दू
Wood.
Wood, which is plastic now.
which is plastic
Which is plastic.
Okay, good. Next.
next
Fast,
year
fast, quick.
Plastic.
उद्दू
Wood.
Oh, is it plastic? Wood.
இல்ல wood இல்ல plastic okay
Cotton.
Cotton, good.
Wood.
Hmm.
Paper.
Okay, good. Well done, Kavyani. Thank you so much. Next is Naitik. Paper. What is that?
Rubber.
Okay.
कत्ती मेनी
That's
Rubber.
eraser, no? Rubber.
rubber material
Okay.
Rubber
Yeah,
material.
good. Very good, ma, Kavyani. Next is Naitik.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, do it.
Plastic.
Super.
Wood.
Wood. Very good. Naitik, perfect, Naitik. Doing it correctly.
Paper.
Paper, good. Looking inside,
Cotton.
Finish, you have to keep it aside.
Crayon. Crayon.
Crayon, or pencil.
Plastic.
Okay, good. Finish?
Yes.
Very good, Naitik. Very good.
Ma'am.
Next is Pranita. Yeah, one by one, like attendance order will come, ma. Pranita, finish.
Ma'am, diction you didn't ask.
Pranita.
Ma'am, Pranita.
Yes, ma, do it.
Paper.
Cover up.
Paper.
Paper.
Cotton.
Cotton.
Plastic.
Plastic.
Cotton.
I think it's wood material. Wood, Okay. Next one.
Crayon.
Crayon. Very good, Pranita. Diction, have you joined, Diction?
No, ma'am.
Diction, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, do it. Do it, ma, Diction.
This is cotton.
Cotton.
This is plastic. This is paper.
Over.
Crayon.
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 Over,
Ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you.
Very good, Diksha. Next is Rohita. Come on, fast, Rohita.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Rohita, do it.
Close your eyes. Okay, close your eyes. Open. What? Almost. Close your eyes.
Plastic.
Okay. Second one. Almost call it. What?
Okay, close your eyes and take fast.
What?
One by one, take and tell me, ma.
Okay.
Paper.
Paper.
Crayon.
Crayon.
What is that?
Wood.
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 Finish.
Finish. Plastic.
Plastic చెప్పింది మ్యామ్ ఇందాక.
Okay. Very good, Rohita. Good. Next is Ritvik. Very nice, Rohita. Looking beautiful. Ritvik.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ready, Ritvik?
Colors.
Cheating, cheating. Close your eyes. Paper. Not
Close your eyes. What is it? Cotton.
cotton. Is it cotton? Cotton dresses. No, you should not show cotton. Ritvik, mom, what are you doing? Next.
Plastic.
Plastic. I want you to pinch him in his nose. Very naughty he's become nowadays. Thank you so much, Ritvik. Very good. Next is Satvika. Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Start, Satvika.
Paper. Paper.
Hmm.
Plastic.
Hmm.
Panji. Cotton.
Cotton.
Pencil. Wood. Rubber.
Hmm. Rubber. Very good. Very nice. Thank you so much, Satvika. Siddharth,
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
we are going to do seminar. Be ready, children. Siddharth.
Plastic.
Plastic.
Close your eyes.
Crayons.
Crayon.
Close your eyes.
Wooden material.
Wood material.
Huh?
Wooden material.
Wooden material. Wooden material. Wood. Wood material.
Paper.
Paper.
No cotton, ma'am.
No cotton. Okay, I'll show you. Tell me whether it is cotton. Which is cotton?
Which is cotton, sir?
This one or this one? This one? This
No.
one?
No.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Good. For you, I showed cotton. Okay. Thank you so much, Siddharth. Next is Tarnika. Do it first.
Wooden.
Seminar children with you. Vidyut is going to do it on Thursday, I think. Kavyarni, Janavi, and Satvika, I think. Tarnika. Come on, Ma. Show it, Tarnika.
Wooden. Cotton.
Cotton,
Crayon.
crayon,
Plastic. Paper.
That's all. Very good, Tarnika. Next is Vishank. Vishank,
Yes, ma'am.
do it. Close your eyes and do it.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes and take one material in your hand.
Water. Ma'am,
What material?
what material you want?
You have to close your eyes. See how
Close your
ma'am
eyes.
is doing. I'm closing my eyes and I'm taking one material. I'm doing
Okay. First,
paper.
ma'am, first line
That's
பண்ணு. Close your eyes.
Cotton.
Cotton. Good.
Next. Close your eyes.
Plastic.
Plastic. Good.
Close your eyes.
Color pencil.
Wood material. Okay.
Right. Keeping that for crayons, ma'am.
Crayons.
Wood.
What is that?
Stick,
Wood.
ma'am.
Stick. Wood. Okay. Wood.
Close your eyes.
Next.
Paper.
Paper. Next.
Plastic.
Okay. Good. Next. That's it.
Yeah, that's all, ma'am.
That's it.
Very good, Krishant. Vivaan, ready? Finally, Nitila, be ready, ma.
Take one minute
Very
and
fast, Vivaan. Vivaan is going to do it very fast. Come on.
Okay, wait, I'll close your eyes. Now you take one material and show. Yeah, shake.
Mom, sit down, mommy.
Yeah, you sit down, ma.
Stand up.
You.
Mom, stand up, please, mom.
Okay, come stand up.
Come on, tell me what material is that?
Close your eyes and pick
Close
up
your eyes,
one.
Vivaan. Close your eyes. You take one material and give it in his hand. Vivaan's mom. Take one material and give it in his hand.
Yeah, tell what that material is. Yeah, correct only. You don't.
Correct only. Next.
Nail.
Yeah, nail material, wooden nail.
Wood.
Next.
Crayon.
Which is crayon?
Bad crayon. Bad plastic.
Okay, plastic and crayon.
Yes.
Nail.
Yeah, what is that?
Nail.
That is not nail. That is cotton.
Cotton. Very good, Nitila. Very good, Vivaan. Nitila, do it. Cotton, good. Next. Paper. What is it? Wood. Very good. Very good, Nitila. And next is children. Who is going to do seminar today? Savyani, Janvi, Tarnika. Okay, sorry. I thought it's someone. Tarnika. First, Tarnika will finish.
Ma'am, Vidyut didn't show, ma'am.
That's what you said. You'll do it on Thursday, no?
No, this one, ma'am.
Vidyut, you didn't show? Come on, Vidyut. Come and show me.
Show.
Show, Vidyut. Sorry, Vidyut.
Cotton.
Cotton.
Cotton. Wood.
Wood. Nice.
Paper.
Paper. Next. Next one. Crayon.
Crayon.
Next.
Crayon.
Okay, next.
Plastic.
Okay, good. Very good with you. Okay, first Tarnika. Come on, start Tarnika.
Yes, ma'am. Let me present the PPT.
Yeah, I'll mute myself. Start, okay?
Yes, yes. Just confirm whether you are able to see the screen. There will be two under my name. You can see Malati presentation. Can you unmute and confirm?
Yeah, Birds by Tarnika. I can see her
Yeah,
screen.
okay. Yeah, okay.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Tanika. I am going to talk about birds. What is a bird? Birds are living beings that can fly in the sky. Birds have feathers that help to lift their body in the air. Birds' fitness, lazy egg. Parts of a bird: head, eyes, tail, wings, legs, beak. Types of birds: flying birds have strong muscles to flap their wings. Example: parrot, crow, pigeon. Non-flying birds do not have wings to fly. Example: penguin, ostrich, kiwi. Aquatic birds. Birds that swims in water. Example: duck, swan. Birds classification. Herbivorous birds eat only plants, fruit, seeds. Example: parrot, pigeon. Carnivorous birds eat only animals, insects, rodents. Example: vulture, eagle, owl. Omnivorous birds eat both plants and animals. Also eats insects, rodents, seeds. Example: crow, rooster. Birds are important for ecosystem. Thank you.
Very well done, and thank you so much, Tanika's mom. Children, I want all of you to clap hands for her. Very good. Good effort that you taken. Thank you so much. Very good. Children, clap for Tanika. Everyone, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself and clap for Tanika. Good. Very good. Okay, next is Kavyani. Kavyani.
Ma'am, Kavyani completed yesterday, ma'am.
You said that today you will show some materials and you will tell about that.
What, Peta? So the presentation. Ma'am, tomorrow for sure, ma'am.
Tomorrow,
Sure, ma'am.
Oh my God. Okay, so Vidit is going to do on Thursday. So only one participant today. I think Janavi, are you there, Janavi? Janavi, where is she? Okay, children, I want you to take your worksheet. It's page number 103 MT. We'll do the worksheet. Okay? It's 103 MT worksheet. We'll finish that. D103 MT. What is today's date, children?
Ma'am!
Yes, ma.
No.
What is the date today, children?
8.
8. Month of December. Okay. Very good, Naitik. Thank you so much, Naitik. You have numbers 71 to 75. I want any one of you to read the numbers. Who is going to read? Who is going to read?
71.
Yes, Kavyani. 71, 71.
71.
72.
72.
Look at the book and read. Point with your finger and read.
72, ma'am. 13.
73.
30, ma'am.
74. 74. 75.
Very good. Thank you so much.
76.
76 is there.
Next
76 in the same worksheet itself. Huh?
Next page, many.
Next page. Thank you, Makavyani. Devkraj, read the numbers from 76. Thank you, Kavyani. 76.
Read the Krish. Ma'am is asking read the numbers.
7, 6.
7, 6, 76.
Hmm.
Amma.
7, 7.
Kunja sattama 77.
77. 7, 8, 78. 7, 9, 79.
Hmm.
8, 0, 80.
Very good. Come on, finish these 2 worksheets, children. Till 80, you have to write. Write today's date and write. First from 71 to 75 and next from 76 to 80. Vishank. Vishank.
See, ma'am is calling you.
Vishank.
Ma'am?
I want you to rote count from 1 to 100. Okay, ask your parents to record your audio and send it in group. Okay?
Okay,
From
ma'am.
1 to 100, rote counting. Okay, Vishank?
Counting,
Okay,
ma'am.
Vishank, Dad?
Ma'am, 1 to 100, you should count and record. Huh?
Yeah, rote counting. Record the audio only and send it in group.
Okay, fine, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Those who were absent yesterday, I am telling you, record the audio of road counting from 1 to 100 and send it in group. Those who have sent yesterday itself, very good. And thank you, children. Write fast, spell and write, children. Vishank, are you writing, Vishank? Vishank. Vishank. First, give me a high five, Vishank. Yeah, good. I saw your worksheets. Your handwriting is very neat, Vishank. Very good boy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Vishank. Now do your worksheet. Come on. What is that? What is this? Come on, take your worksheet and do.
Start writing. Start writing.
I am waiting, Vishank.
Ma'am wants to see you.
I am waiting. See, if you are not writing, no car toy for you. See, I bought a car for you. You don't want that?
Ma'am, can't try anything. Start writing.
Toy car. Green car.
Okay.
Green car.
You don't want that means I'll give to someone else. You write only, I'll give you.
This is
Don't. Start writing.
my friend.
Yeah, I got gift for everyone.
Okay, ma'am, I'll write.
You are not writing, I'll give that gift to someone else.
எழுது மேம் எனக்கு கொடுத்துருவாங்க எழுது நீ எழுது மேம் உனக்கு கொடுப்பாங்க ஸ்டார்ட் ரைட்டிங் திரும்ப இந்த மாதிரி சரி ஓகே
Naitik, which number you are writing, Naitik?
Ma'am, 7474.
Very good. Spell and write, children. Very good, Farna. Satvika, till 80 you have finished.
Finished.
Till 80.
Yeah, ma'am. 2 pages finished, ma'am.
Both the page finish. Very good, Satvika. So fast. Very good girl. Finish, Pranita.
Ma'am,
What are you doing, Satvika? Satvika, what are you doing? Satvika. Putting pencil inside her nose. Let go.
So that
Very good, ma Pranita. Good, Pranita. Very good.
see that's it.
Yeah, Siddharth. Very nice. Good. Dharmik also finished. Very good, Dharmika. Very good, Siddharth. Kartikeyan also finished. Well done. Very good.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, good. Good, ma. And children, regarding Christmas, okay, ma'am is going to send you a song along with the dance steps also, okay? So practice at home, and from tomorrow onwards, we'll practice in the session also. Okay, and on Christmas celebration, we are all going to dance together as a group. Okay, so today by evening, I'll send you the song along with the steps. So whenever you are free, practice those steps. Okay, the session also we'll practice. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Right, first. Very good, right. You all want to dance for Christmas song, yes, no?
Ma'am.
Yeah, good.
Finish, ma'am. Ma'am, finished.
Yeah, Hashni, good ma, very good.
Finish, ma'am.
Now itself Vishank is dancing, huh? Karna's finished?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish. Very good, Dave Krish. Very good. Dikshan. Very good. Finish, Dikshan.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Very good.
Vanilla, ma'am. I finished.
Yeah, Naitik. Finish, Naitik. Very good, Naitik. Good boy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Then who else finished, children? Yeah, welcome. Very good, Sunil. 80 words. We'll have a small recap of 80 words, children, before we end up the session. Okay. We have six words here. 80 words. Okay. Who is going to read that?
Siddharth, ma'am.
Yeah, come on. At
Correct.
cat. Next.
Bat.
Very good.
Bat. Very good. Next. No.
Fat.
Fat. Very good. Thank you, Siddharth. Next 3 words. Who is going to read?
Asini.
Hashni, come on.
Asini.
Yeah, next Kavyarni. Okay. Hashni, come on fast. Hashni.
hat, hat.
Good.
Mat.
Good.
Rat.
Very good. Kavyani. Next. Kavyani.
Ma'am, Kavyani.
Yeah, ma.
Which one?
First one. Cat.
Cat. Singing.
Cat.
Next one.
Next.
Bat.
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 Bat. Somehow.
Next one.
Bat. Fat.
Good. Very good. Thank you so much, Kavyani. Next is Parnas.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Cat.
No. Next set of words.
Wolf.
This one.
Hat.
Fat.
Hat.
Fat.
Hat, ma.
Fat.
No, ma'am. She. Oh, yeah.
Fat.
Inge.
Mat.
Mat.
Lat.
Very good, Parnas. Thank you so much. Dev Krish. Read the first three words. Ka. Ba. Very good. Fat. Very good, Dev Krish. Next is Dikshan. Dikshan.
Yes, ma'am.
Read it first.
Cat.
No. Next one.
At. Rat.
Very good, Dikshan. Thank you so much. Karthikeyan. Ka. No. Ka at cat. Karthikeyan, not read like this. Ba at bat. Only the phonic sound.
Yes, ma'am.
At fat. At home also you give him practice like this. Very good, Karthikeyan. Yeah, good ma. Night take. At hat. No, night take. Next one. At.
Mat.
Oh my God. Next one. At nightic also. You should practice reading like this only, nightic. At rat. At mat, not M-A-T mat, R-A-T rat. No, not like that. Okay? Okay, thank you, nightic. Yeah, Dhanvin, come on. At. Very good, Dhanvin. Thank you, Dhanvin. Next is Subyani Fenen. Rohita.
Rat. Ma'am.
Yeah, read it out.
Sure.
Okay, ma'am.
At.
Cat.
Oh, cat.
Bat.
B at bat. C at.
కాదు కాట్ ఇట్లా చదువు కదా అలా క్యాట్ నేను ఫింగర్ పెట్టాను చూడ చదువు వెరీ గుడ్ ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు సాంగ్ సాంగ్ ఇది
వెరీ గుడ్ వెరీ గుడ్ రిత్విక్ Thank you, Maroita. Ritvik, read it out fast, Ritvik. At.
B at dog.
B at ball. Bat. At.
F at
Hmm.
egg.
Fat. Very good, Ritvik. Satvika. Satvika. Read it out, Satvika.
Cat.
Hmm.
Cat.
Hmm.
Bat. Bat.
Hmm.
F at fat.
Hmm.
At.
Hmm.
Ma at mat.
Hmm.
R at rat.
Very good. Sarnika. Thank you so much, Ma. Satvika. Read it fast.
C at cat. B at bat. At fat. At rat. Hat. At mat. At rat.
Very good, Tarnika. Next is Vishank. Vishank.
Read. Read it.
Vishank. Read it, Vishank.
Read it. Read it. இப்பதானே படிச்சீங்க படிங்க.
Go at.
At.
Go at.
What is this?
C A
No, not C-A-T. You should read it as go at cat. At words.
At. Tat. Cat.
cat.
What is this? But. Bat.
Bat.
F.
F
At. Fat.
at fat.
Ha.
Ha.
Hat.
Hat.
Mat.
Mat.
Very good.
At.
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 At rat.
That. Okay, thank you so much, Vishank. Vidyut. 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 Vidyut is not here. Okay, Vivan.
Yes.
Read it out.
Cat.
Go at cat.
Cat.
Hmm.
B at cat.
Yes.
No.
Go at bat.
Fat. F at fat. Hat at fat.
Go at ma. Play the phonic sound, Vivan.
Nut. R at rat.
Very good, very good. Nitila, can you read? Nitila. Nitila is also not there. Nitila,
Yes, ma'am.
can you read, Nitila?
Yes, ma'am.
Read it out. Go at.
Here.
Go at.
Cat.
Cat.
Gaga cat.
At.
Gaga at.
B or something.
Gaga.
At ball.
Gaga ball.
Bat.
Bat.
F or something.
Fat. Fat.
At.
Fat.
Fat. That's it.
I think she's having some confusion in that. Okay. Wait, then I'm going to come back. Thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. Bye, children. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, children.
Bye. Bye.